5 signs of a bad transmission shift solenoid. The transmission shift solenoid is an essential component of your vehicle's automatic transmission system. It is responsible for controlling the flow of transmission fluid in and out of the transmission's hydraulic circuits to engage or disengage the gears during gear changes. A failing shift solenoid can cause several problems with your vehicle's transmission. Here are some signs that your vehicle's transmission shift solenoid may be going bad. 1. Delayed shifting. A failing shift solenoid can cause your vehicle to experience delayed shifting. This means that the transmission will take longer than usual to engage or disengage gears, resulting in jerky or rough gear changes. 2. Erratic shifting. If your vehicle's transmission shifts erratically, it may be due to a bad shift solenoid. You may notice that the transmission shifts between gears unexpectedly or that it skips gears altogether. 3. Transmission won't shift. A faulty shift solenoid can also cause your vehicle's transmission to fail to shift at all. This means that the transmission will remain stuck in one gear, usually the first or second gear, and won't shift to higher gears even when you're driving at high speeds. 4. Transmission slipping. A slipping transmission is a common symptom of a bad shift solenoid. You may notice that your vehicle's engine revs higher than usual, but the vehicle doesn't move forward as it should. This can be dangerous, especially if you're driving on steep hills or in heavy traffic. 5. Transmission overheating. A bad shift solenoid can also cause your vehicle's transmission to overheat. This is because the transmission fluid isn't flowing properly, causing excessive heat buildup that can damage other components of the transmission. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to have your vehicle's transmission inspected by a qualified mechanic. A professional mechanic will be able to diagnose the problem and determine if it's due to a bad shift solenoid or another issue with the transmission. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.